Right, hello everybody, and welcome, as usual, to the Geek Lab. At the moment, quite a warm summer Geek Lab. Now, after 5 years of sitting around like a lame duck, and the console also sitting around like a lame duck, we finally got this thing fixed by fitting a new cartridge connected to it. If you haven't seen that video and want to, there's a link below which you can click on after this video and it will take you to the repair video. But once we got this sorted, we've come across another problem. These little buggers. Perhaps I should show it the right way around and the right way up. These little buggers are having trouble with the buttons and the controllers not responding quite as well as they should do, which obviously causes a lot of problem in the games. So I'm going to do a little video showing you how I service these and bring them back up to standard. Let's go and do that. Right, for this repair, you're going to need the simplest of tools. You're going to need, obviously, your controller, which is meeting its fate, and a Phillips head screwdriver. You need a small head on the screwdriver because these are very small screws down there. So we've got 6 of them to remove, which you're going to do right now. Now, the main reason usually for these controllers playing up is an accumulation. Usually if you just bought it, it's going to be 30 odd years. Well, 29 at the moment, but possibly when you're watching this later, 30 odd years of crud building up inside. My wrist isn't as healthy as I thought it was. I need more exercise. Anyway, that's the 6 screws just coming out, and to reveal the interior of the machine. Sorry for covering it up there, but can't really be helped. So 6 out, turn her over, and away she comes. Make sure you got all the screws, don't want to lose them. And there's the inside of the machine. It is all very simple, a bit like me. And that wraps around there, and that comes away, and there is our pad, which is causing the trouble. As you can see, it's just years of crud build up inside. So all we're going to do, it's a very simple operation. We'll take that one off as well, do the whole thing. We'll take these pads off. What we're going to do is put these in the sink to soak, and this one we're going to get some IPA glue. No, we're going to get some IPA alcohol and little pads, and we're going to rub it. I shall show you that in a second because I haven't prepared myself properly. Idiot. Right, here it is, isopropyl alcohol. Obviously, take all the usual precautions with using that. Put some onto a cotton bud, or Q-tip, as our American relatives would call it. We're just going to rub over the contact surfaces with the bud, and as you can see, yucky. Yep, years of grime coming nicely away. So we're just going to do this over all the contact surfaces. There we go, and that will clean that up nicely and bring yucky, my phone going there. So there we go, and although it's alcohol, we can rub them off, make sure they're as dry as we can. That should, any left should evaporate, and that will be okay. And this case is now going to the cleaners. Quite literally. There we go. Even more coming off. All this bit, all its gunk and grime, is now going into the sink. I shall wash that, dry that, not that, and come back. Right, a short while later, and it's washed, dried. Make sure it is dried. Final check. Yep. And we even managed to get the dirt out of the lettering there. Cool, eh? So, almost looks like new. Now it's time to put this bugger back together. So what we'll do first is get these buttons and put them in place on the top, like so. Damn it, I forgot to clean this one. Be right back. Right, that's better. No use doing half a job, is it now? So that goes back on, like that. Then, stay. We have the pads here, which go onto there, and the pad here, which goes on like so. We can now put the little motherboard back in here. God damn you. I now have to remember how it was wrapped up. And to do that, let me, hold on. No, there we go. Nintendo made this quite simple when you know how. And it wraps around there, which is a bit of a struggle. Either that or I'm a bit of a prat that shouldn't be doing it. That is tough. There we go. Goes that way, idiot. Okay, and that wraps on there. That makes a great little cable tie, doesn't it? Instead of having to buy another one, they've just done that. Buy one, they've done that. Okay, and then the back hopefully clicks home. We can scroll her up. Damn it. This is the exciting bit of the video. Oh yeah. Everybody says they like to watch me screwing. I don't know quite what they mean. I'll speed this bit up. Right, there we go. That's our completely repaired NES controller. All the buttons press as normal. None of the pads have slipped away, so everything works nicely there. Time to go test it on the NES. Yay! Right, first thing is first, if you don't mind watching my sexy knees, plug in our freshly refurbished controller, then choose a game, in this case Gremlins 2. Pop her in, press it down, fire up, and you can see the repair still working, yay. And then we shall go to the TV screen. I shall set this up properly, and let's test this bugger out. Right, the NES is running, so here's the controller, and let's play some NES. Yeah. Right, let's see if this works. Okay, up, down, right, wasn't responding before properly, and it now responds wonderfully. Yep, fire, jump, just so you can see clearly there. Fire, up, down, see, all works nicely now. And the buttons work no problemo. Cool. Fixed. There you go. So, that's how to service and refurbish a NES controller. And again, once again, if you want to see the video where I repair the NES itself, links down below. And please subscribe if you haven't already and you want nuttiness. We also have a live channel where we do live shows, which are quite nutty, and links for that down there too. But if you subscribe to me, I shall send you the links anyway, so fear not. So, thank you. Bye.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.